Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and I have some nail mail. First, I want to show you from they're both from Maniology, but I'm an ambassador, and I will put my code across the top of the screen or the bottom of the screen here. This is my tier gift, which I've been holding on to for a couple weeks now, I think. Yep, I think it's been a couple weeks that I haven't filmed this. I've been procrastinating. You get a little gummy, pineapple gummy. Really super cute. This is my gift for tearing up, so to speak. Guess I'm going to need some scissors here. I don't see an... Oh, here we go. Or maybe not. Oh, yeah, here we go. Oh, my hands aren't what they used to be. Oh, it's in a big bag. Sorry about that. We get... What is this? It's encapsulated in plastic. This is a magnet. Mahalo means thank you in Hawaiian. This magnet is just a small gift from us to show you our gratitude for having the opportunity to play a part in our creative journey. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, I can't wait to use that. Here are some of their cards. On the back is where I write my ambassador code. 10% off. JNI10, capitals, don't forget. Oh, look how cute. Gotta have that. Oh, I love the palm tree. You know exactly where I'm putting those. Okay, we have some nail stickers. There are some roses, some purple flowers, some little variety with some, looks like a ribbon maybe around it. Really cute. And then we get a stamping plate. Oh, this is beautiful. And this is the plate of this Clear Estelle 8. Oh, I like this one. Maniology Clear Estelle MO035. Oh, we got a unicorn here. We got oh, this is a unicorns here. We got some fairies. We got a cityscape here. Some mountains. I hope I'm in frame. This is definitely a beautiful, beautiful plate. Love this image here. We have a forest scene here. Oh, that's dinosaurs. And this is dinosaurs. Oh, this is so cool. Very excited about this plate. Very excited. Love this image here. It's probably my favorite. This one and this one here, the unicorn ones up there, that's my favorite. So, if you order from Maniology, please use my code, JNI10. And you get 10% off. And if you order the Maniology subscription, you get $5 off that. So, it's well worth using. Help me cheer up, and I get free gifts to review for you, which would be these set items. If you would like to see me stamp that plate out, leave me a comment down below, and I would gladly do some stamping of that plate. It may not be on my nails, maybe on some paper. Ooh, we got some stickers in this one too. No gummy in this. I might have already taken it out. Excuse me. In this Maniology, this is a box that I ordered where you only pay shipping. I seen the link for it on Instagram. You can get them on Instagram or YouTube. This is really cute stickers. It's like frames. Oh, I need something. Oh. Whoops. Start with whoopses already. These are like little frames. Really super cute. Whoops. And this one He's got bows that says love. Really super cute. Can use this for Valentine's Day. And this is Maniology box Bloomin' Babe. So inside of here, let me cut it open. There we go. Inside this box you get 2 stamping plates. We will look at those in a second. You get your Maniology scraper, your directions with some very helpful hints. Tells you exactly how to take care of your stamper. On the back is some helpful hints about the stamper. Skip the acetone. Do not ever put acetone on your stamper. You can on your plates. I don't advise it because it kind of just colors it. I use regular nail polish remover and it takes everything off just beautifully. I know they say that it doesn't remove the oils, but I've not had a problem. You get 2 stamping polishes, and they are in Monarch Dream is the lavender, B178, the light green, really love this, soft sage, B219. Really great colors for this plate too. And you get an ice cube stamper. Oh, they didn't wrap it. Huh. Love these stampers. They are perfect for small images. Put that back in here. Put that in there. And then we will move on to the plates. We have Maniology 18, MO18. Really super cute plate. Got the great big heart here in the middle. Flowers here on the side. You got some ferns. Great flower images here. Really super cute. Next we have Maniology M019. Again, these are more flower images. Sorry if I wasn't in frame showing you. More flower images. You could do some great reverse stamping with these. Or not, whichever you prefer to do. But this was Bloomin' Babe. Maniology boxes that you can get for, I paid $7.99, which was the shipping. That was it for this box. Which is a great buy. Great buy. So again, I will flash my code on the screen. And if you like, you could order yourself these. You could order them for somebody else. They make great gifts. I know I have another one to show you. Hold on one second, and I will be right back. Let's see. Okay, we are back. Our next box is Forever Young. Skip the plates here. Oh, I have already opened this because I'm missing the polish. That's not cool. I do not remember what came in this. This is horrible of me. I'm very sorry. You do get your ice cube stamper. You do get 2 stamping polishes. One being Indicon B200. I'm sorry that I took this out. I do not have no recollection, and the scraper's missing too as well. Huh. Not cool, not cool, not cool. Excuse me. Might be coming down with something here. Our plates that we have. Let me see, what box is this again? Forever Young. Hope I didn't already review this one. I know one box I already did, but I don't remember which one. This is MO13 and MO12. These are the 2 stamping plates in this box. This one has, oh, I can't even see this. Dream, Hope, Smile, Peace. I can't make that first word out. Great little images here. Some stars. There's just some plaid marks down here. This could be used as rain. These are really cool to have. And on this one it says, live, laugh, love, sweet, my dear, happy, lucky. There's got some little eyelashes, a blinker. This looks like it could be a diamond ring. We got some hearts, some stars. And this could be a horseshoe, or, you know, the good luck horseshoe type of deal. Looks like a bar scan, but we know that's not what that is. This is rain, maybe. Really cute plate. Sorry that I took one of the polishes out. I got no recollection of doing that. So I wouldn't have done that. I'm going to show you it. Sorry about that. Our next box is Wild at Heart. Your directions. Your stamper. 2 plates. Ice cube stamper. Our first color is Restless Dahlia B232. Really pretty coral color. The other color is this really pretty blue Teardrop B217. Really pretty blue. In the plates. And again, I only paid $7.99 shipping. You gotta catch these on Instagram or Facebook. It's not something I can put a link up to because they're only, they're only up there for a little while. These are Maniology's 14, or MO 14 and 15. We'll go with 14 first. It's hard to even describe these images. You can put these on the tips of your nails. Really like this one here. I might have reviewed this one already because this image looks very familiar. Because it hits across in the middle. I have to go back through my videos and check it out. I might have reviewed this plate or this box. I'm not sure. Hopefully not. MO 15. Excuse me. These are another great images. You can put these at the tips of your nails. You can put them up by your cuticle coming down. Really little images here. Sorry. The real little images. These are the full nail images over here. Really cute. So once again, they have these little Maniology boxes that they're starter kits. And you can get these if you catch the links for $7.99 where you only pay shipping. I'm not sure how many they're going to let you do like that. I've got 1, 2, 3. I think I've got 4 or 5 of these. And I've only paid shipping on each one. But it's a great deal even if you're not paying just shipping. If you're paying a few bucks for it, it's a great deal. You get 2 plates, 2 polishes, a stamper, a scraper, and directions with helpful hints. Great deal. So, again, I will flash my code across the screen. JNI10, all capitals. You get 10% off before shipping. And, but not with these. I don't believe the code works with these. If you're getting the Maniology box subscription, the Mani and Me box, it'll take $5 off that. But otherwise, you get 10% off before shipping. It's a great deal. It's a win-win for both of us. I get products to review after I tear up, as you've seen in my beginning of the video, but it's a great deal. I hope I have made you a little curious to where you go to Maniology.com and check it out. You might find one of these that you really like. They have, like, I don't know, 6 or 7 boxes that you can pick from. Great designs. Greatly etched plates. Great stampers. Can't say enough about them. Plus, you get the free little gummy in your package. Your pineapple gummy. Can't beat that. Well, that is all I have for you today. Have a blessed day. Thank you.